What's going on, everyone? It's Justin here, and I talk a lot about AI on this channel. As someone who's in the tech industry, I've been able to witness the rapid progression of technology in the last 15 years. And right now, the trend is all about AI. As a creator and business though, there are also multiple elements of how AI has made its way into my workflow, from productivity and the admin side of things to the creative side inevitably, whether it is video or audio. It's one of those controversial topics that you can either love or hate, and whether you want to use it or not is really up to you, but I find that it is always important to stay up to date with the tools and at least be educated, especially when there is something that doesn't seem to be going away anytime soon. I've taken a look at some of the best video tools and audio tools, and today we're going to be talking about Vidmuse AI, and similar to how code has been transformed with AI and has made it easier than ever before for people to create, and the same is with video. Vidmuse is a cost-effective way to instantly produce high-quality videos, improving workflows, and helping create additional income sources. And I'm going to be going through some of the features, demonstrations, and showing you guys how I use Vidmuse to create something awesome. I'm going to be giving away another Mac Mini to one of you guys, just like I do in other software and AI videos. So if you want to enter, make sure you drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment down below as to how you would use Vidmuse along with your Instagram username, and someone from my team will be contacting the winner and pinning the comment in 2 weeks, and just ignore any of the spam comments. And I want to give a huge thanks to Vidmuse for sponsoring this video. So with AI, any sort of creation is more conversational than ever before, and Vidmuse is no different. As you go to the platform, all you see from the beginning is where you can describe and converse exactly what you imagine. Whether it is inputting a music video or plain text, you can give it the starting point that you want to create something visual for you. From there, you have the option to use the high-end visuals for official releases, light for just quick ideas, and you also have custom control over the parameters, giving you access to the latest image models such as Nano Banana Pro, Seedream 5.0, GPT Image, Flux, Midjourney, or Grok. It really comes down to what you need specifically, and personally, I find Nano Banana Pro to be the most realistic and accurate so far. You can also pick your aspect ratio, the resolution, and it's all powered by Vidmuse 2.0, which is their next generation creative partner. So let's just take a tech product for example. We have a photo of it and we want to create a video that emulates what you see at a trade show or at a press event where they have like that big keynote announcement, and those are usually all CGI based renders that big studios have to create. So let's take a picture of the Hasselblad X2D100C and see what Vidmuse is able to create. And this is a very conversational process rather than just submitting a single prompt, which I'll dive into shortly, but let's just first take a look at the final result. Another example that inputs an image is my recent stay at the TWA Hotel. This is a hotel that has been restored to emulate what it was like in the 1960s and the 1970s. That was way before I was born, and so I want to create a cinematic sequence as if I was in the hotel back in the day, living my life in the 60s and 70s and catching my flight. From the core interface, there is a style field, creative brief, storyboard panels, and a chat interface on the right that not only allows you to adjust and edit certain things, but it also allows you to fine-tune what it's already created. I think that is incredibly important because just like what it's like to try to portray ideas that you might have out there, a lot of times AI also needs some fine-tuning to understand what exactly that you'd like. But the great part about it is that you're able to work with Vidmuse, tell it what you'd like, refine certain things, and ensure that it is absolutely perfect and down to what you were looking for. The timeline editing tool allows you to trim, adjust before going into final export, creating a published piece with very limited amount of resources. The cost of content creation and the barrier to entry is simpler than ever before. I mean, I would say typically when it comes to making a product video, the starting cost is thousands of dollars for something that is beautiful and commercial grade. When you get into CGI and modeling and those type of render-based videos that you see in large commercials, it's not really my space, but I can only imagine the cost is significant and the amount of time and resources when it comes to starting out a business, especially if you're in like a food and beverage industry, could essentially wipe out your entire marketing budget. By using tools like Vidmuse, you're able to create a hyper-realistic and usable AI video result just at your fingertips and using your computer. It's really simple to use and it can be completed all under one workflow with the latest models, easy to use interface, and something that anyone can really just pick up and go right away and really enjoy that conversational aspect of giving your prompts to Vidmuse. What's really different about Vidmuse is that their specialization in music is also evident in how it can tie to video. So say you have a specific beat or sound or a track that you want to use that you think is perfect for your brand and it represents it, Vidmuse is able to detect the beats, the nuances, and ensure the visuals are able to align and complement each other. Vidmuse is different in the fact that instead of just doing one prompt and waiting a long time and that's what you see is what you get, it allows you to really fine-tune, converse, tell it all the different things that you want changed and do as many revisions that you want, which I know a lot of times when working with creatives can be a point of hesitation or awkwardness. So as you can see, this is just another latest example of how AI can help businesses and creatives out there depending on how you use it. And at the end of the day, nobody is forcing you to use AI, but if you believe it can complement your workflow, it is always worth trying, learning more. And at the end of the day, the more tools, the better, no matter what context it is. So if you guys are interested in video creation and want to either experiment ideas that you previously had that needed high production efforts or cost, make sure you go ahead and click the link in the description section below and use my code Justin for 500 free credits. And for the first time users, you also get 50% off when purchasing either the Pro or Studio plan. As always, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know if there are any other tools that you want me to try out and tell you more about, and I'll see you all in the next one.